So how WynFluenz Academy works and what we do as an NGO
Okay.
and yeah, things like that, sir.
The two questions.
Yes, sir.
What is WynFluenz Academy
Yes,
and
sir.
what we do as an NGO?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I'll answer the second one first.
Okay.
Okay, because it's because of the NGO we have this unit of WynFluenz Academy, right? So it was WynFluenz Welfare Foundation. Now that is a Section 8 company.
Okay.
It falls under non-government organization, or we also can call it as non-profit organizations. The thing is, we work exactly like any other NGOs, which do not work for a profit. But if there's anything they feel that is left, now they again reuse that for some other social cause. So that is the thing. So basically, there's no profit motto.
Okay.
So that is why this NGO we have started on the 19th of July 2021.
That's
All right. So when we started this, it was almost the exit of pandemic, the lockdown era that we've all had, right? And then we thought that, okay, this might be the right time where we can start this NGO, do a lot of social work. That was the priority. And reach out to those people who cannot afford certain basic needs at least.
okay.
Now, we've done a fair preparation. We do the packing, we put them in transport, then we go there with our volunteers, distribute food. And if they are there, we click pictures with them, and even they can also distribute few packets. And others, though, of course, our NGO volunteers will do it. So all these things were happening pretty nice.
Okay.
And things have opened. So then we thought we'll do some, because I am basically a trainer. So I've got some experience in training, learning and development. So I thought if there's anything we can do in the skill development part of it.
Okay.
So skill development also is a part of it. We can do it even at a larger scale.
Okay.
And we have to have a separate unit for it under the umbrella of WynFluenz Welfare Foundation.
Okay.
So under WynFluenz Welfare Foundation, we have opened skill development projects and given it a name as WynFluenz Academy. It is a unit of WynFluenz Welfare Foundation, and it only takes care of the skill development projects. Right? It will not take care of the food distribution.
Okay.
It will not take care of environment. It will not take care of the plantation.
Okay.
It will not take care of any other thing. But anything which is pertaining to skills or skill development, WynFluenz Academy will do it. So your first question was about academy. So second one was for the NGO. So the first one has taken birth because second question. That is the NGO. What does the NGO do?
Okay.
So
Yeah, got
that is how the WynFluenz Academy is. It's just a name we have given it because when we go to colleges or companies for that matter, and we project ourselves, it's, at times it will not be appealing when we say we are coming from WynFluenz Welfare Foundation. They'll say that these guys have come in to earn some donation.
Okay.
So what we do is we are from WynFluenz Academy, which is a unit of WynFluenz Welfare Foundation.
Okay.
And whatever we charge, we only charge based on the trainers' payouts.
Okay.
Because we can't get them as volunteers, right?
Yes,
because they train students, so they come on a daily basis. 6 hours. So we have to pay them something as a professional fee. So, which is why we charge the students. And again, that's not a profit motto. Whatever is left, nothing goes to anyone's house.
Okay.
Right? But the trainers will have to get paid because they are investing their time. They are not yet volunteers, and people are not so financially sound to say that I can invest 60 hours of training without charging a penny. I think people should be financially so strong to tell us that. So now that we are still going through that phase of, financial stability, so we don't have those. So we pay them. Because we have to pay them, we ask a very nominal, fee, and that colleges, whoever can say that, okay, I think we can give you all a chance to do this, and we will not only train them on skills, we train them on certain other social values, certain other important things of behavioral aspects, so that there's an overall development in the students, right? Now, WynFluenz Academy is your first question.
Yes.
Take care of the skill development projects, especially in engineering colleges.
So why in engineering colleges, sir? Like why?
So I think if you look at data, in India, right? I've read an article which says that every year the number of engineers who are ready to either take up a job or go for higher education or get into an entrepreneurship are more than the population.
Oh my God.
So put a number to it. Say for example, 5 lakh. Okay, just as a hypothetical example, if 5 lakh is the population of, right, and if 5 lakh engineers are going out into the job market, now you tell me, who is not aware of all these things, you tell me, how many engineers do you think out of 5 lakhs are actually placed?
Maybe like 1 lakh, or not even
1 lakh is a great number.
Not even 1 lakh, maybe like 25,000 or 30,000.
Anything, if it is right. So we'll take it as about say 50,000.
Okay.
Right? So if yearly 50,000 people are employed, or we'll take it 1 lakh for that matter, are employed, what about the remaining 4 lakhs?
Okay.
Now in the 4 lakhs, there'll be few who will fly abroad for higher studies. There'll be few who are opting for MTech or MBA. So they extend their education by 2 more years. There could be few who want to get into startups, become an entrepreneur. But if you see the percentage of this 3 is not 4 lakhs, could be another 50,000 or another 75,000. But for this calculation, we'll give it as another 1 lakh. So out of 5 lakhs, maybe 1 lakh is going for jobs. Another 1 lakh is either looking out for MS or MTech or MBA or a startup or something, or family business they're taking care of, or doing farming, getting back to their parents' occupation. So they are making money. So what about the remaining 3 lakhs then? Now that is a major chunk of engineers, right? 3 lakhs out of 5 lakhs is huge.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now, one thing is, we can be happy that 1 lakh are getting jobs and forget about the other numbers.
No.
Or we are happy that other 1 lakh are either somewhere or other getting money, and we are not worried about the remaining 3 lakhs. That's one thing. But we as an NGO, we thought that why should the other 3 be deprived? And where can we catch them? When they are still as students. So when they're still as students, we get them in colleges.